Good day, sir. This is my report, the basic requirements for IP application. Filing a patent application. Patent application. According to Section 101 of the U.S. Patent Act, sets forth the general requirements for the patent protection in a single sentence. Whoever invents or discovers any new and useful process, machine, manufacture, or composition of matter, or any new and useful improvements thereof may obtain a patent subject to the condition and requirements of this title. So tanang maka-invent o mga process, machine and manufacture kay dapat na ay maka-obtain sila og patent. Patent application under U.S. patent law, an invention is patentable only if it meets the following requirements, which we discuss in more details below. The invention must be statutory, and the novelty, useful requirements, and non-obviousness requirement. Number 1 is the patent application subject matter eligibility. Section 101 of the Patent Act outlines U.S. patentable inventions including processes, machines, articles, and compositions of matter. Not patentable inventions include data, structures, non-functional descriptive material, electromagnetic waves, and software not tied to a process or machine. Mao ni siya ang classification sa patentable o non-patentable inventions. Next is the novelty, newness requirement. Patentability requires an invention to be new or novel, and certain public disclosure are required for it to be patented. The most important rule, however, is that an invention will not normally be patentable if the invention was known to the public before the application filed for patent. Kanang nahibawan na sa public ang invention before pa ni gi-filean og patent. And the next is the invention was described in a printed publication before the application filed for patent protection. The invention was described in a published patent application or issued patent that was filed before the application filed for patent protection. Next is a useful requirement. The patent law mandates that the invention must be useful, particular in computer and electronics technology, and more crucial for pharmaceuticals or chemical compounds, require specific practical utility. Dapat ang patent is useful in terms of computer and electronics technology, and in pharmaceutical and chemical compounds need sila specific nga practical utility. Next is non-obviousness requirements. If an invention is not exactly the same as prior product or process which refers to as a prior art, then it is considered novel. However, if an ordinary invention to be patentable, the patents that statute also requires that the invention be non-obvious improvement over the prior art. That's all, sir. Thank you.